let's look at another type of slope that we can compare. So again, we have a table, and this time we have a graph. With our table, we're still finding our change in y over change in x. So if I look at these numbers, it looks like they are increasing by 1, and that's true for the whole table on my y's. So now my x's, to go from 7 to 6, I had to subtract 1. 6 to 5, I subtracted 1. And 5 to 4, I subtracted 1. So the slope of my table, my change in y was a positive 1. My change in x was a negative 1. So if we were to put that in simplest form, or lowest way to write it, 1 divided by negative 1, my slope would be a negative 1, which means it's going down. If I look at my graph, I have some friendly points. Not sure if you can see them, but right here at negative 3 and positive 3. So we can draw our triangle. And I went up 1, 2, 3. And I went over 1, 2, 3. And 3 over 3 is equivalent to 1. So now I have a slope of negative 1 and a slope of 1. So if I'm going to determine which one is greater, remember a negative only tells me the direction. We're looking at the digit itself. So these slopes would be equal. There is not a slope that's greater or less because they both have the digit 1. So this is an example of slopes that are equal.